Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be doing some vintage pink kind of Halloween vibes. So if you guys haven't seen, this year for Halloween, Michaels came out with this really pretty like dusty pink skulls vintage kind of vibe, and I'll insert some pictures so you know kind of the vibe I'm going for. I'm very excited. I love skulls and roses. I have skulls and roses in my apartment year-round, not just for Halloween. But I feel like this would be a cute way to start off October, and then we can get into some spookier nail designs. So I kind of have a vague idea of what I want to do, but I want to kind of talk it out. So I did pull this plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. I will list on the screen what it is called because I'm not too sure. But it is a Skull and Roses vintage plate. So I definitely want to use some skull and rose image. I'm thinking I'm liking these bigger ones here and this one because it has like this and this one, but I'm kind of liking this one and then these roses. And then I definitely want black, so I'm pulling my Madame Glam's Perfect Black. And I want some glitter too. These are my Beamy Leaf gels. And I don't know if I want to do the black glitter or this light pink glitter. This one's Blossom. So this one is Black 2.0, and this one is Blossom. It needs to be stirred. So I'm thinking one of these two. But then I'm also going to pull Angel Wings from Madame Glam, a lighter pink. Unless I want to go more baby pink, or this one's like a dusty pink. This one's Workaholic. Yeah, now that I'm seeing this one, I'm thinking less that one. Maybe one of those two. I also might want to do Smokin' Hot Pepper from like Elegance. This is from the fall collection. It's a black holographic, but I'm leaning more towards these ones. And I'm gonna pull Perfect White as well. And I am gonna pull these pearls that I have. I do have some jet crystals, which I could use. I do have crystal AB, and I also have white opal. Probably not white opal. I think I'll go with the pearl, and then maybe some of these. So this is kind of what I'm gonna start out with. I'm gonna kind of think about it, and then I'll get into the tutorial. So to start out with, we're gonna use Beamy Beauty Box's Black 2.0. It's this really pretty black leaf gel, and I'm gonna paint this on my pinky and my thumb. Next, I'm going to use Madame Glam's Workaholic, which is this dusty pink shade. I'm going to paint this on my ring finger and my pointer finger. And now I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Perfect Black, and I'm going to paint this on my middle finger. And we're going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of the colors. And now we're going to move on to stamping. So for stamping plate, I'll be using the Clear Jelly Stamper plate. Romantic Rebel is what this is called. It's like a vintage skull and roses type of a plate. For stamping polishes, I'm going to use my Sally Hansen Insta-Dries White and Black to Black. So I'm going to start with this bigger image here. We're going to do the background in white. And these are layered stamping images. If you've never used Clear Jelly Stamper before, they are layered images that you lay on top of each other to create the final look. So we're going to start off with the white base. And then we'll go in and do the outlining in the black, and you'll see it does take me 2 tries to get that one down. And here I'm just taking some acetone on a clean it brush and cleaning up the leftover polish. But this nail is complete. It looks so pretty and elegant. And next we're going to stamp on a skull and roses. So for the roses, I'm going to be stamping in Sally Hansen's Insta-Dry Wisteria, which is a dusty pink shade very close to Workaholic. So I'm going to start with the skull in white, and I'll place this in the center of the nail. Then I'm going to go in and place the flowers down, as well as the outlines for the flowers. And for the roses, I'm going to use this trio up on top, and then I will also use a little one down underneath the skull as well. And here you can see I am just taking that same Clean It brush dipped in acetone, and I'm wiping away what overlaps on top of the skull. So that way I can put the skull freshly down on top and you won't see any of that transparentness of the flowers underneath. That's why I stamped the skull image first, so that way I could see what to wipe away. So here I'm going back in and placing that skull down as well as the outline for the skull. And so here's what the nails are looking like with all the stamping down. It's looking really good, but now it's time to add some bling. So I'll be using my Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. And I'm going to put a pretty large glob down on my middle finger right in the middle. And I'm going to go in with these spider charms that I have. I totally forgot about. They're really cute. They're silver body, and then the butt of the spider is a pearl, and then the head is a crystal. It's like really elegant but spooky for Halloween all at the same time. So I just kind of place this down, and then I do flash cure this right away. And I'm going to go in with some more crystals. Here I'm using Swarovski crystals in Jet, and I'm creating a spider on the corner of the skull. So I thought it'd be cute to have a gem spider on the skull. And here I'm going to go in with Graphite, which is more of a sparkly, shinier black. And I'm going to fill in behind the spider to add some bling as well as help to tack that down, make sure it doesn't move. And I'm also going to do cascading crystals going down the nail. And you'll see I did try to place these pearls I had, but the pearls I had really did not match the pearl on the spider, so I decided to stick with the black crystals. And here I'm just going in and adding legs to the spider. It is kind of hard to see the legs on top of the other black stamping though. And now I'm going to go in with top coat. I'll be using my Young Nails stain resistant top coat. Top coat all of the nails, and I do go back in and do a second coat of top coat on top of the stamping nails because there was quite a bit of stamping on there. I want to make sure it's really sealed in. And then for the nail with all the gems on it, I do make sure to go around and seal in all the gems. And so here is how my nails came out, and I think they came out really good. Like, this is my vibe, minus probably the spiders on here. I would wear this any time of year, but I feel like it is a nice, subtle, spooky yet elegant way to start off October for Halloween nails. And we will definitely get into some spookier tutorials as the month goes on. Comment down below if you have any suggestions though. I have some ideas already in place though. So make sure to subscribe to see those tutorials coming up soon. I will also leave a link to my Halloween playlist down below. And then give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if you like the vintage skull and roses aspect of it. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.